first of all, can you introduce yourself and your role at Trelleborg?
Hi, I'm Kevin Ehlert. I'm the Business Unit President for Medical Device Americas. It's part of Trelleborg's Medical Solutions business area.
Trelleborg is promoting its Integrated Solutions program. Can you explain what this program does for your medical device customers?
Absolutely. So I think the best way to explain it is we have a collection of capabilities, right? That includes silicone molding, plastic molding, metals manufacturing, assembly, and a quality system to bring all that stuff together. And the benefit for our customers is they can come to us with a project and we can offer a turnkey solution in a one-stop shop. It allows us to move faster, get their device to market sooner, and it really, at the end of the day, it's a higher quality product because we can manage the tolerance stack, we can manage the interaction of all the different components within the device.
What are some of the standout technologies or capabilities that you have on display here at MD&M West?
Yeah, so what we brought here today, so we have our synthetic rubber applications. We're very strong in silicone, both compression molded as well as LSR molding silicone. Thermoplastics, especially when we are, so maybe a multi-component, right? So a plastic and a silicone together, or a plastic overmold of a surgical instrument, silicone overmold of a surgical instrument, things where we can, again, take multiple capabilities and put them together. We also have some samples today. We developed some bioresorbable capabilities, right? So for long-term implants that can be absorbed back into the body.
How does Trelleborg help customers solve complex industry challenges, whether it be regulatory, material, or supply chain?
It all starts with early collaboration. So we have a rapid development center, actually multiple of them across the globe, where we would like to partner with our customers' engineers to really cater a solution to their challenge. So for example, right, a customer might come to us and they say, I need 3 different iterations of a quick turn prototype. All right, we can turn those around really quick. They can get to consensus of design, and then we can work with them to say, all right, is this going to be in the hundreds type of volume per year, or is it going to be in the tens of millions type of volume per year? And the design considerations change as you look at that full device life cycle. So if we need to design early for automation, we can design a lot of costs out of the supply chain if we can design that automation in. All right? And so paired, we have our in-house tooling and automation teams, so we can really offer that full turnkey solution.
Trelleborg recently launched a new manufacturing facility in Costa Rica. Can you talk about what this means for the company?
Yeah, it's very exciting, and I think really the core of the decision to invest in Costa Rica is to be close to our customers. So there's a massive MedTech ecosystem that's been building in Costa Rica. A lot of our customers are there, a lot of other partners are there. So as we see the MedTech landscape grow, it's really important for Trelleborg to really be at that forefront and partner with our customers where they need us to be.
Have you been able to visit the new facility yet?
It's beautiful. Yeah, I've been there a couple times. It's a really state-of-the-art medical manufacturing facility. We have clean room space for plastic injection molding, silicone injection molding, silicone dipping, and also assembly. We also have some flex space, right? So as we grow with our customers, we can build it out in a custom way as appropriate.
Are there any emerging trends in MedTech manufacturing or materials that you feel will be particularly important in the next few years?
Yeah, when we talk to our customers, they're always coming to us really with a harder challenge to solve, right? And I like to say we're pushing the limits of physics, right? Because everything we want smaller, we want tighter tolerances on the devices that we're working with our customers on. From a material standpoint, that really starts to stress the materials, right? As you put it in an injection molding press. But that's where our expertise really comes in to help solve those challenges. I would also say trends that are driving some of this is, less invasive devices. but also wearables, right? So we're seeing a lot more adoption of wearables, new technologies coming that can really change therapies in a positive way.
And finally, bit more of a personal one. What is something you know now that you wish you'd known earlier in your career in this industry?
Oh, that is a great question. I think ultimately this industry comes down to the connections between people, right? And whether I knew it early on or not, right? Just being here at MD&M and connecting with customers, with former colleagues, future colleagues, it's just a great melting pot of the industry. So, it's really the people are the lifeblood of what we do here, and I think the reason it's such a high quality group of people is because we know that there's a patient behind everything that we do. So everybody here at the show is positively impacting a patient in some way or another.
Thank you very much for your time.